In this video, we're install Docker as well as the HighByte Intelligence Hub Docker image onto a Linux operating system. Here, I've already got the install files, so the Docker image as well as some Linux commands have been already installed into my documents folder. As part of the install commands, we provide a URL to install Docker. And so to go to that URL, I've already gone there. And there's two commands that we're going to copy. So the first command here, I'm going to copy here. I've opened a terminal window. And paste this command. It will go through the Docker install. Once done, there's an update to run as well. So I copy this, run the update, continue. First I'll screw the screen. Now if I do Docker, you can see it's been installed. So next, I'll look where I am. I'm in my home directory. So I'll navigate to the document directory where the images has been downloaded. Okay, here's my Intelligence Hub image. So now if I get a command to install the image, this Docker command will install the image. So this lists the images. You can see it's been installed. Okay, next, I'm going to create my Docker container. But before I do that, I need to find a location to store my app data. So I'm going to first navigate back to my home directory. Then I'm going to create a folder called local app data. And I change permissions of that folder to give everybody access. Okay. So now this is my Docker run command. So add that. So if I run the Docker run command, I'm going to mount the local app data to the target, which is the app data location in the Docker image. I'm going to set my networking to be host, so I don't have to worry about any port modifications since you're going to use the host operating system ports, as well as the image. So if I copy this should create my image and run it. You can see HighByte Intelligence has already started. If I come here, I'll do localhost, and then port 245. That quickly, HighByte's already running using a Docker image. So to modify this image to have it start automatically, I'll run some more commands here in Docker and use a Docker compose file. So I'll stop my image here, and I'll remove my existing image. So I'll do remove my Docker image, try to stop it. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to create another folder, my Docker compose file. So where I am, yep. make dir docker All right, so I'm going to create a Docker Compose file. Edit that Docker Compose file. And I can paste the commands here. This is the same services I provided when I used the command line container create. But here I'm going to do it through Docker Compose. So I save that. So that's saved. So now if I just do a Docker Compose create, I'll create my HighByte image. I'll start the container. And so go back up, go to localhost, and now it starts with a Docker Compose file. And the advantage of this is, if I look at my Compose file again, it's set to have its restart as always. So when the Linux operating system restarts, this will automatically restart my container, create it and restart it as the operating restarts. It's the same as running a services when you're running HighByte Intelligence directly from Linux. All right, there's a lot of more options here. If you look at the Docker documentations as well as our HighByte Intelligence Hub documentation, and reach out to support if you have any questions. Thank you.